Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Pinterest where you're already signed in. This ensures you're modifying the right account. Once done, make sure the app or browser is updated so settings match the steps I'll give. Now tap your profile icon at the bottom right on mobile or click your profile photo on desktop to access account controls. This is the doorway to privacy and search options you'll change next. You'll navigate into Settings and then Privacy to find Search History controls. This is where Pinterest stores recent queries and suggestions. On mobile, open the three-dot menu, choose Settings, then Privacy. On desktop, click the down arrow by your avatar and pick Settings right arrow Privacy and Data. Once there, locate Search History or Clear Searches. This section shows recent searches and a button to remove them. You'll now clear the history by tapping Clear Searches or removing individual entries. Pinterest will usually prompt you to confirm, and once approved, the deletions apply immediately to suggestions. Make sure to back out and refresh the app or reload the page to see the change. If things don't update, log out and back in, clear the app cache or browser cookies, and update the app. That single troubleshooting step fixes most sync or display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.